Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you're all doing great. So now that we have done reviewing the whole unit, I would like just to remind you of the main homeworks you are supposed to do and to send within the few upcoming days. So if you remember, the first assignment or the cornerstone project for this whole unit or for this term is to read a book, if you remember. So this assignment or this homework, was assigned to you more than a month ago, even before the holidays. You are supposed to start reading, any book. Choose any book in English, probably from the list I've given you or from the library I told you to go to. But otherwise, if you have another choice, you can just purchase another book. Of course, I repeat again, if you don't have the books, if you cannot get access to the books, just tell me to send you the PDF versions. Everything is available. So what you are supposed to do for the upcoming homework, I would like just to know that you have started reading your books. This is the most important thing. So just write a paper where you say, I even received a lot of homeworks, but this is a reminder for those who didn't do it yet. So as the others did, start write one paper, or an essay or some paragraphs, talking about the book. So I decided to read this book, for example, entitled The Great Gatsby, like here, but choose your books, of course. Then to talk about the introduction, where you are with your books. For example, till the moment I am in chapter 1, and this chapter talks about this chapter, the authors talks about this character called and about the main events that happened in the first chapter. Of course, whenever you read, use a dictionary, because the main objective of assigning you this assignment is to develop your linguistic capabilities, of course, by acquiring new words, by learning, of course. While reading, you will, of course, learn and acquire new words. Try to use a dictionary. There are a lot of electronic dictionaries, very useful electronic dictionaries. So whenever you find difficult word, and of course choose from the beginning level, the level that suits you the best, and whenever you read something, just something difficult, just go to a translator, use a dictionary, and get the words needed in the language you want, either Arabic or French. So this is the first homework you are supposed to send within the upcoming days. Probably tomorrow would be the deadline. So the second homework assigned to you within this unit, if you remember, as we said, that one of the most important aspects is to get a full mastery of the past simple, because as soon as we get back to our classrooms, you will be tested, of course, based on the past simple. You will have a test based on the use of irregular verbs, the coherent use or the correct use of this tense, in a free way, like without having mistakes and problems. So, and one solution that I suggested is to go through this list. Try to go through all the different verbs here. This is a short list made that gathers the most important verbs in English. It has about 40 or 50 verbs, irregular verbs. So if you master or if you learn or if you memorize the changes that happen for these verbs in the past simple, the moment past participle, I'm not talking about it yet. So if you master how all these changes, that would be something excellent. So what you are supposed to do, go through the verbs, write the changes in a paper. This verb changes to the other verb, and use an example. For example, to be becomes was and were in the past simple. And like the regular verbs, and they give an example. For example, when I was 5, when I was 5 years old, You see, this is a correct use of to be in the past. You cannot say when I am, because now you are maybe let's suppose I am 16 years old. So I cannot say when I am 5 years old. When I was, okay, 5 years old. Do the same thing for the whole list. Okay, this is an exercise that won't take more than 1 hour to do the whole exercise. So of course, always reminders, okay, for students who haven't sent their homeworks yet, because we need a session of correcting all these homeworks before getting back, okay, to school. So please remember. So moving on to the other homeworks assigned, okay, within the last sessions. If you remember, just go to page 71. Okay, let's go to page 71. Okay, the page of exercises. Yes, this is it. This is the page 71. If you remember, we dealt with when and while. So this is the exercise. We have 2 exercises. Okay, you have exercise 3 and exercise 4, page 71. Also the same thing. A lot of students sent, but some, I don't know what they are waiting for. So for this exercise, however, we will not stick, okay, to the same exercise, but we'll make the changes. Of course, here we will use when or while, okay, the one that is needed, and we'll make the needed changes, either the past simple or the past continuous. So this exercise is about a combination, okay, between the past simple, past continuous, but in case in a sentence requires only past simple, keep them in the past simple. And also this exercise about the use of relative pronouns. This is also a very easy exercise to combine, okay, to find the relative sentence of each of these ones, okay. I would like a car, then I choose I have to find the best sentence, like is safe and energy saving, and combine them and link them together using a relative pronouns. This is all for the homeworks. I'm waiting, okay, for your responses, okay, in order to start correcting. Thank you so much.